Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Place the transmission in sport or manual mode to enable paddle shifting. Confirm your Infiniti G37 has the 3.7 LV6 and paddle shifters are active. Adjust the seat and steering wheel so your hands reach paddles without moving your forearms. Aim for relaxed grip and easy throttle access. Visually check the tachometer. Note the red line near 7,000 RPM and plan shifts close to 6,000 RPM for spirited drive. During steady acceleration, pull the right paddle toward you to upshift one gear. Release once the shift completes, then continue pulling for subsequent upshifts. To downshift, gently pull the left paddle and, if needed, lift the throttle briefly or blip it to match revs for a smooth transition. Remember, the transmission has built-in safeguards. It will not allow a shift that would over-rev the engine or cause extreme lugging, and it will automatically upshift if you reach a safe RPM limit. For passing and performance, downshift early to keep the engine between 4,500 and 6,000 RPM so torque is available instantly when you accelerate. If you drive on a closed circuit, use heel and toe technique while downshifting to match revs and minimize wear on clutch and transmission components. If the gearbox hesitates or displays limp behavior, return to drive or sport so the adaptive logic can reset. Avoid forcing repeated aggressive shifts when coolant or oil temperatures are abnormal to prevent mechanical damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.